Kublai chuni fibro kijung tip nam ta ki khubor like kam hikai ti ku kwa ban tap so ha page adu bakut basa page ya ki teng jugi school select tap hi melek bu application nam ta ki school bat sa page ki tarik ki ladap ai detail baro na duk number phone ki jaka e bro ladap ai dan kam nei kai belapas BA BN te ong baitang BA klamong mok ai tuma pas BA phaban pas ru bat ka BN tekin ai prajar sipanai hanong thamai Presbyterian Secondary School tik interview gandai khat new tarik February arjar fly por shipo baje min step contact number prakandai new san sau nan rew te ki bakwa sa contact hi tik number ne wat ya ka tuka kateng yang school kadon ai skoi pan vacancy wanted BA lane MA khasi la pandai BA khasi la MA khasi having BEd degree under deficit graduate skill in Nehru Memorial School Umsning kane kare hapo Umsning kadon hapo kane surok hi Umsning hajan yo necessary procedure for the selection process will be notified to the candidate. Application with attested documents must reach and signed on or before 17 January 2023 by 3:30 p.m. Kumut ba phiap slide submit application hapo school akumno hapo khat new tarik jung January tegin sapan tip yapi yaki exam la nek interview malba kane kadai nam ta ki deficit no filam day BA la nam A tama phi day ban dep ya kabian manage committee NMS Riverhead district. Okay, sakane ka wepan required one science teacher qualification belong BSc with DLED la ne biat one khasi teacher qualification BA with DLED na biat in Lakre Memorial School Umsosun kane kadai hapo Umsosun hilaj astli ka we jong science ka we jong ka BA mo BSc Science BSc kawe jong BA. Shillong application should reach Headmaster's office on or before 24 January 2023. Shipo baje hadu shi baje. The contact number pranyo khandai sau ndrusan rew pra. Tekane karan po umso ni ha ka lat ban kiu sha hangka jani. Te sa lej mi hi po school lej submit ikijon kambaro ki bakwa ban tab ikni ki post ki balan. Tangkini kijing tip, boleh cuan.